Recently, I've been discovering some small, subtle improvements that Canva has been making. Today, I want to show you the improvements they've been making to the shapes elements. Let's go to my screen and take a look. Click on Elements, and you'll see I can search for shapes. But it comes up here as well. I'm just going to click on that. And here you've got shapes, and I'm going to click See All. And the change that I want to show you today was this corners option here. And you can see it's now got little dots on the end, which it didn't used to have. I'm going to click on that, and let's start with rounding the corners. You can see how much it's changed the shape already. If you take it all the way, it's almost going to become a circle. So I'm not going to go as far as that. Taking it back to somewhere like 20. Looks good. And then you can change the points. And this is something you haven't been able to do. It's currently got 12 points, but I can actually make it less. And that just seems like two squares overlapping. Or I can take it to more, which can be really useful. And this is the kind of thing that you'd use for a sales sticker or a price. Let's go 24. And then you have this option of inner depth. This is currently on 74. And this changes the size of the inside. Now you can see it's almost looking like a star. And you didn't have this flexibility of these options before. This is amazing. You can completely change the look and feel of your shape. Let's try another one just for fun. Add a page. I've now selected this cloud shape. And here you can see on the corner rounding, it doesn't have the little dots. So all I can do is change the roundness of the corners. Probably need to make it a little larger so you can see it. If I add another page, it is available on things like a simple square with rounded corners. Let's again change the color of this. Let me just make this larger so you can see it better. It doesn't have the same options. You can see it has the corner rounding. What it does have is I can add additional sides, but you can see if I go too far, it's just creating a circle out of it. That's with a square shape. It's not all the elements that you can do it. I did try the heart and the arrow, and you couldn't do it on those. I haven't been through all of these yet, but quite a few you can't do any more than the original options. Something like the triangle, this is just a corner rounding and the number of sides you have. The answer is where you have these little extra dots on the end of the corner icon on your top bar are the items that have more functionality than they had before. I hope that helps, and I'll see you next time.